What if I told you the easiest way to make money online in 2026 doesn't require a big social media following, doesn't require any startup costs, and can be done entirely from your laptop? Stick with me until the end, because this little-known method is already creating a new wave of online millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. For those who are new, we're all about exploring the best side hustles, online business models, and wealth-building strategies for the digital age. Now, let's jump right into the good stuff. The single easiest way to make a fortune online in 2026 is by building and selling digital empires. A digital empire is a portfolio of small, automated digital assets that generate passive income around the clock. Think of them as tiny digital real estate properties that you own. Here are the 3 most profitable digital assets you can start building today with zero experience. First, niche digital guides. People are constantly searching for solutions to specific problems, from how to train a puppy to how to invest in crypto. You can use simple tools like Canva and ChatGPT to create short, valuable PDF guides on these topics and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Once created, they sell forever. Second, automated theme pages on Instagram or TikTok. These are faceless accounts focused on a single passion, like stoicism, luxury travel, or vintage cars. You can use AI tools to generate and schedule months of content in a single afternoon. Once you build a following, you can monetize through affiliate marketing, brand deals, and selling your own digital products. Third, print-on-demand stores. This is where you sell physical products like t-shirts, mugs, or posters with your own designs, but you never touch any inventory. When a customer orders, a third-party company prints and ships the product for you. You can create designs in minutes using free tools and set up a store on Shopify or Etsy. So, how do you get started on your own digital empire? It's a simple 3-step process. Step 1. Choose one digital asset to focus on. Don't try to do everything at once. Master one, whether it's creating a digital guide or building a theme page. Step 2. Leverage free tools. Start with Canva's free plan, ChatGPT's free version, and free print-on-demand platforms. There is absolutely no financial risk to begin. Step 3. Start building. The key is consistency. Dedicate just 30 minutes a day to creating your first digital asset. Your first sale could be less than a month away if you commit. This strategy is exploding in 2026 because the creator economy is bigger than ever, and the tools to build these assets are now accessible to everyone. You no longer need to be a celebrity or an expert. You just need to solve a problem or serve a passion. If you want to learn more proven strategies for building wealth online, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Comment Empire down below, and I'll share a free list of tools and niche ideas to get you started today.